Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. Happy Sunday to everyone. I am sitting in my kitchen. I wanted to give you guys a different scenery. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. I purchased some stuff from Wish. Actually, I didn't purchase it. I went on the Wish app on my phone and everything that I am going to show you guys actually said free. The only thing I had to do is pay for shipping, so that is what I did. I've been ordering a lot of stuff off of Wish lately, and I was thinking to myself, like, a lot of people is really sleep on the Wish app. Even though people think that the stuff is cheap and quality of it isn't so great, I wanted to kind of like show you guys what the products look like and the quality of the products and what I think about them. I ordered a phone case of M&M. The phone case quality is amazing, and it was only $5 off the Wish app. It came in about 2 to 3 weeks, but it was well worth the wait. Now look at this phone case. I know y'all can't tell me that this case is not a nice phone case. The quality is great. It's silicone. It's like, look at that. I ordered a phone case off of Amazon, not knocking Amazon, but the case came broken. I'm gonna basically go ahead and jump right into this video because I got something to do and I don't wanna hold you guys any longer than you need to be held. I purchased them March 14th and I picked them up April 13th. I paid like a total of 12 bucks for shipping. These are all of the packages right here. I don't remember what I bought because again, I purchased this stuff in March and today is May 2nd. I do know that the things that I purchased was things that I wanted to try because I think Wish is a really good, these are, it didn't come with, well, I think it did come with like a little invoice thing, but I don't remember where that is. These are some thermal socks. These socks say Tourmaline Magnetic Socks Self-Heating Therapy. I like the pair that they sent me because they're pink and white and they are really pretty versus these ones are black. This is what the socks look like out of the package. And they have some like non-slip grip material at the bottom. Not only are my feet cold all the time, I also have plantar fasciitis and my feet be hurting. I forgot all about this. I have this Aries charm bracelet. For many of you, if you don't know, now you know, I am an Aries. It says Aries. Now, hopefully I can fit it because it does look kind of small. I like it. And it got the little ram right here. So actually, I think it will fit because it has like a little extender. Handmade vintage infinity love 12 constellation zodiac sign leather bracelets. $2.87. This is what you would get. Oh, okay, so this one is a ring that I got. It says love. It's so pretty. I've been trying to wear rings and it fits perfectly. It's not like one of those cheap bubblegum type of rings. It's a decent quality. Like you can't just squish it if you wanted to squish it with your hand. So I can tell that it's not that cheap. Fashion Love ring, 925 sterling silver. 925 is actually my dad's birthday. Love script eternal ring. Okay, so next we have this. Mini portable glasses, eyeglasses, sunglasses, Spectacles microfiber cleaning brush. I didn't buy this to clean my eyeglasses. Sometimes I find myself taking my shirt or something and wiping my lens to make sure it's clean. I basically want to take it and clean my camera off that way. If you get this to clean your eyeglass lens or something, I feel like yes, it's worth it. Alrighty. So, what is this? I don't even know what these are. I'm wondering if these are that.
1 pair new magnetic therapy health care sports protection braces. Arthritis pain relief wrist brace. Tourmaline self-heating.
Okay. I don't have arthritis, but sometimes, you know, my hands do be hurting a little bit from time to time when I braid hair and whatnot. So this is the quality up close. Oh, it is. Well, my hand is kind of hot. Yeah, they feel like they worth about $1 or so. But if they do their job and they make my hands stop hurting, then they're gonna be worth that $1. Oh, okay, and then this one was a neck brace. This is what it looks like. This one says magnetic therapy neck belts, Tourmaline self-heating magnetic therapy neck wrap. To me, it looked like it's worth the 92 cents. We're gonna see if this helped, because in the back of my neck, I be having all sorts of neck pain that you wouldn't believe a person should be having. And I don't like that. Y'all know how y'all be having hair trapped in your brush? This is a little thing to help get the hair out of your brush without having to use a comb. Durable mini comb hair brush cleaner. So you can either clean your comb or your hairbrush with this. I got this really because the kids, they like cleaning the brush and comb. I got this for them to play with, really. I didn't care to get this for myself, but $2.85 on the Wish app. Oh, okay. I'm not even gonna say what I thought this was. If y'all know, for any of the grown-ups, y'all know little bags like these. I'm not gonna say what I thought was inside this package. I'm not playing with these folks today. I thought it was supposed to be, hold up. I thought it was supposed to be 3 pieces in here. Let me see.
These kids, you hear them?
This is 2 right here and the 3rd one right here. I was gonna say, we're gonna try the fish eye lens on the 7 Plus. Alrighty, so this is the fish eye and it's doing what it's supposed to do. So anyways, you guys, that is pretty much going to be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about these products and what do you rate these products as. If you guys want to see me purchase some other stuff that you're a little nervous to purchase and you don't want to waste your money and whatnot, yeah, just let me know and maybe I might try that product for you or whatever. But this is some pretty basic stuff. But yeah, I've been needing to do this video for the longest and I'm glad I finally got it out the way. I had lost the package. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.